The Carpinteria Plus, and I wondered what this was all about. There's a shrine over that way, and they tell me that there's an elopement. Young couple, or a couple, I don't know how old they are, coming here to say their vows and enjoy the view, outdoors, no hassle with the thing. And then there's this. Oh, very nice. Looks like Hebrew. Is that Hebrew?
Oh yeah, they're Jewish.
Nice. Well, I like it. Okay, I'm walking over to the seal sanctuary. Looks like pictures are being taken. Maybe these are, I don't know if it has any connection to the other thing. No, probably not. But anyway, back to the elopement. Reminds me of in the old days, you'd see a cartoon, or maybe it'd be in a movie or something, some schlub putting a ladder up against the second story window to take his bride away for an elopement, I suppose.